Hi everyone, it is Tony here from Custom PCs Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Ryzen CPU on a AM4 motherboard. So essentially the first step we're going to use the stock cooler, so we're just going to remove the retention screws. So there is 4 of those. Once we take those off, just pull the little retention clips off. So now we're going to install the CPU. So pull that out from its packaging. Now on the CPU you're going to see a little arrow. So that little arrow needs to line up with an arrow on the motherboard. Sometimes motherboards don't have them though, but with a Ryzen that arrow should always be pointing towards the I/O shield at the back. So lift the retention clip, put the CPU in gently until you feel it slot in, and then just give it a tiny little push and then close the retention clip on top of it. So now where you took those screws out from before, you're going to be left with 4 little screw holes. So that's where your Prism cooler is going to screw into. So on each corner of the cooler there, you're just going to line that up with those screw holes. Just give it a little firm push once you feel like it's there. Now with the screwing, you just want to make sure that you're going diagonally. So I always start top left to bottom right. Top right to bottom left. That way it's going to sit in nice and smooth. Once you're done there, you've just got to connect your fan cable. I just give a little tie in it just to neaten it up a little bit. You'll see a fan header on your motherboard that says CPU fan, so pop it in there and then just tuck the little cable away. And you are done. You've installed your CPU. Well done. Check out our how-to playlist if you want to see more tips like this one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.